Envoys of Hope Covenant Assembly Incorporated is inviting you to a Grace Expedition Program 2021. It shall be an experience of kingdom influence and impact, consisting of amazing 12 Sundays of kingdom influencers. Ministers of God honoring the invitation consist of Reverend Dr. Sam Alaha, from Jos. Reverend Philip King, from Jos. Senator I.D. Giang, from Abuja. Reverend Charles Ita, from Jos. Reverend Steve D.D. Cole, from Jos. Prophet Akin Bawa, from Jos. Reverend Dr. E.J. Obiora, from Jos. Bishop Dr. M.O. Mubhood, from Makurdi. Apostle Phil Mike Paku, from Abuja. Special music will be anchored by Echoes of Hope, Grace Definition Crew, and others. Theme: Kingdom Influence and Impact. Host: Apostle Daniel Joseph. Date: from June the 13th to August the 29th of 2021. Morning session will begin by 9 a.m., while evening session begins 5 p.m. Venue: Envoys of Hope Covenant Assembly Incorporated Auditorium by Divine Wisdom School, opposite Crispan Luxury Apartment, Rayfield, Zara Maganda Road, Jos.
Envoys of Hope Covenant Assembly Incorporated, giving your life hope and a future.
What would I live for if I don't have you in my life? What would I gain if you take the whole